When the world as we know it falls apart, when chaos reigns supreme, and the only thing standing between you and certain doom is a trusty revolver, you'll be glad you invested in the right one. The survival revolver is more than just a weapon, it's a tool for survival. Whether you're fending off zombies, rogue survivalists, or just trying to put food on the table, these guns are tough, rugged, and built to withstand the harshest of conditions. In 2024, when the apocalypse hits, these are the 10 best survival revolvers that will have your back when the going gets tough. When the world goes to hell, these are the 10 survival revolvers that will be your steadfast companions, your trusted allies in a battle for survival. Subscribe to this channel and we'll unveil the top 10 survival revolvers of 2024. Done? Okay then, let's roll. Number 10. Chiapa Rhino. If you're looking for a revolver that's as innovative as it is deadly, look no further than the Chiapa Rhino. This Italian-made revolver is anything but conventional, with its bottom-firing barrel that reduces recoil and improves accuracy. Its unique design places the barrel on the bottom of the cylinder, giving it a sleek and futuristic look that's sure to turn heads on the battlefield. But don't let its good looks fool you. The Chiapa Rhino is a serious survival tool capable of firing powerful rounds like 357 Magnum and 44 Special. Also, this revolver comes at a worthy price of $1,000 to $1,400. Number 9. Ruger Single 6. The Single 6 is a single-action revolver that's best described as small but mighty. It's a lightweight revolver that packs a punch and works with a 22 LR and 22 WMR cylinder. It's concealable with the accuracy needed to hit a bullseye in a single shot. With a barrel length of 5.5 inches and a 6-round capacity, the Single 6 has an MSRP of $829. Its simple, sleek design makes it an appealing revolver, and you best believe it's powerful enough to help you survive even in the wild. Number 8. Colt Python. If you're looking for a survival revolver that's both a workhorse and a showstopper, look no further than the Colt Python. This revolver is as iconic as they come, with its sleek and elegant design featured in countless movies and TV shows. The Colt Python is a serious survival tool. Its smooth double-action trigger and buttery smooth operation makes it a joy to shoot even in dire circumstances. The Colt Python isn't just a pretty face, mind you, it's a revolver built to last. Its hand-fitted action and precision engineering make it one of the most reliable handguns on the market. Its price range of $2,000 to $3,000 may be considered too high, but it's well worth it. Number 7. NAA Ranger 2. Every ounce counts when you're out in the wilderness. That's where the North American Arms Ranger 2 revolver comes in. This tiny revolver packs a serious punch with its 22 Magnum cartridge and solid frame construction that make it a powerful and reliable option for survival situations. But what makes the Ranger 2 truly unique is its compact size. At just over 6 inches in length and weighing a mere 8 ounces, this revolver can easily fit in your pocket or backpack, making it a versatile and convenient tool for any situation. Also, compared to the other revolvers of its class, the NAA Ranger 2 is very cheap, with a price tag of $250 to $500. Number 6. Taurus 608. The Taurus 608 revolver is a no-nonsense survival tool built to handle anything. This revolver boasts 8 rounds of 357 Magnum or 38 Special ammunition, giving you plenty of firepower to defend yourself against the most dangerous of threats out there. With its stainless steel construction and rubber grips, the Taurus 608 is designed for rugged durability and a secure grip even in wet or slippery conditions. The Taurus 608 typically retails for around $700 to $900, making it a relatively affordable option for a reliable and powerful survival revolver. We've already mentioned some incredible revolvers, and we're sure that you're itching to hear about more. But before we continue on with this video, please give us a thumbs up for the work that we've put in here. If you're done, thank you. Now let's move on to number 5, Rossy 971. The Rossy 971 is a budget-friendly revolver that's perfect for those looking for a dependable and affordable option for survival situations. This Brazilian-made revolver boasts a classic design with a durable blued finish and a comfortable rubber grip that makes it easy to handle and shoot. With its 6-shot capacity and 38 special caliber, the Rossy 971 offers solid stopping power without breaking the bank. Typically priced around $300 to $400, the Rossy 971 is a reliable and practical option for those looking for a survival revolver balanced with quality and performance. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Model 66. The Smith & Wesson Model 66 is a classic revolver known for its durability, reliability, and timeless style. This .357 Magnum revolver is built to last with its stainless steel construction and classic keyframe design, which has been a favorite of law enforcement officers and survivalists for decades. With its double-action trigger and 6-shot cylinder, the Model 66 offers smooth shooting and plenty of firepower for any situation. The Smith & Wesson Model 66 typically retails for around $800 to $1,200 depending on the model and features. Here's a bonus tip for survival revolver enthusiasts. Learn how to reload your ammunition. In a survival situation, ammunition can be scarce, so knowing how to reload your own can be valuable. While it may take some time and practice to master, reloading your ammunition can save you money and give you more control over the quality and performance of your rounds. Plus, it's a great way to familiarize yourself with your firearm and better understand its inner workings. So consider investing in a reloading kit and learn how to make ammo. Number 3. Ruger Super Red Hawk. Few survival revolvers can match the power and reliability of the Ruger Super Red Hawk. This revolver epitomizes go big or go home with its massive frame and heavyweight barrel that can handle the most powerful rounds, including the .44 Magnum. But don't let its intimidating appearance scare you off. The Ruger Super Red Hawk is designed for maximum comfort and control. Its cushioned grip and effective recoil-absorbing system make it a joy to shoot even during the most intensive situations. The Red Hawk has a price range of $800 to $1,200. Number 2. Colt King Cobra. The Colt King Cobra is a modern update of the classic Colt Python revolver, offering many of the same features and benefits with a more affordable price tag. This .357 Magnum revolver boasts a sleek stainless steel construction, a comfortable rubber grip, and a smooth double-action trigger pull. With a 6-round capacity and adjustable rear sight, the King Cobra is a versatile and reliable choice for survival situations. Typically priced around $700 to $900, the Colt King Cobra is a solid option for those who want the performance and reputation of a Colt revolver without breaking the bank. Number 1. Ruger GP100. The Ruger GP100 is a workhorse revolver known for its durability and reliability. This .357 Magnum revolver is built like a tank with a robust stainless steel construction and a comfortable rubber grip designed to absorb recoil. The GP100 also boasts a unique triple locking cylinder system that helps to ensure reliability and accuracy even after thousands of rounds. And with its 6-round capacity and adjustable rear sight, this revolver is a versatile and dependable option for any survival situation. The Ruger GP100 typically retails for around $600 to $800 depending on the model and features. And there you have it, my lovelies, the top 10 survival revolvers of 2024. So, which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more exciting content on the world of firearms. Until next time, thanks for watching.